Nenu మీ Rasagnya. Welcome to VRKSS. Today I am here to present big border sarees. Let me start with the one which I am wearing. This is in a color combination of peacock blue with pastel pink. All over the body we have golden and silver zari tissue flower designing weaving, and border వచ్చేసి we have pink color plate with flower designer border, and pallu we have golden zari rich pallu. And coming to the blouse, it is pink color tissue booties blouse with border, but I am wearing plain pink color. You can wear any plain pink color blouse. And item code వచ్చేసి it is LV1747 and weaver's price వచ్చేసి it is 22,500 rupees. If you like this saree, you can please take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 9696699666. Let's see the next saree. Yes, this is the second saree. This is in a color combination of bluish green with blue. All over the saree we have gel weaving with multi motifs and blue color meena work, and border వచ్చేసి we have in blue color with a skirt border, and pallu we have brocade pallu. Yes, and blouse we have plain with a border. Item code వచ్చేసి it is, yes, item code of the saree is it is LV1740 and price వచ్చేసి it is 22,500. If you like the saree, please take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 9696699666. Next saree. Next we have yellow with red. All over the saree we have in a red color design with a skirt border. Yes, this is the border. We have red color designer skirt border, and pallu we have contrast rich pallu, and blouse వచ్చేసి we have red color plain blouse with designer border. Item code వచ్చేసి it is LV1739 and price వచ్చేసి 25,000. Next saree. Next we have very dark and nice color. This is in a color combination of blue with sky blue. All over the saree we have golden zari designer waving body. This is the look of the saree, and border we have sky blue designer border. Yes, and pallu we have golden zari rich pallu, and blouse we have plain with a border. Item code is LV1738 and price వచ్చేసి 19,950 rupees. Next saree. Next we have very rare color combination which is orange gold with red. All over the saree we have silver zari lean creeper jal weaving with red color, and border we have in red color. This is a brocade border, and pallu we have rich pallu. Blouse వచ్చేసి it is in red color brocade blouse with designer border. So item code of the saree is LV1732 and price వచ్చేసి it is 29,950. Next saree. Next we have peach with navy blue. All over the saree we have fancy motifs with golden zari. Yes, and border we have blue color grand designer border. I think this is 12 inches border, and this is very huge border I can say. And pallu we have contrast rich pallu. Blouse we have plain with a border. Yes, item code of the saree is LV1731 and price వచ్చేసి it is 25,000. Next saree. Next we have peach with navy blue. This is a rare color combination I can say. All over the saree we have plain creeper jal weaving with silver zari self meena work, and this is the border. Border we have blue color with peacock turning work, and we have brocade pallu. Blouse we have navy blue with a border, plain with a border. Item code is it is LV1737 and price వచ్చేసి it is 22,500. Next saree. Yes, this is sea blue color. All over the saree we have peacock and rudraksha booties with golden zari. Border we have self plate rudraksha booties designer border. This is the border. This is also a huge border. Pallu we have designer rich, and blouse వచ్చేసి we have a contrast blouse purple blouse with a border. Item code వచ్చేసి it is LV1722 and price వచ్చేసి it is 19,950. Next saree. Next we have all our favorite color red with green. Yes, all over the saree it is silver zari flower design. In border we have contrast in green color. This is a skirt border. And pallu we have a rich pallu with a golden zari. Blouse we have contrast blouse plain with a border. Item code of the saree is LV1742 and price vachesi 25,000. Next saree. Yes. Next we have goldish green with red. This is the look of the saree. All over the saree we have leaf and floral work. Yes, this is the border in red color with a skirt border and with a turning work. This is also a huge border. And coming to the pallu, this is a designer rich pallu. And blouse we have a red color brocade blouse with designer border. Item code of the saree is LV1727 and price vachesi it is 29,950. Next saree. This is my favorite color, violet with pink. Yes, all over the saree it is floral with leafy design waving. Blouse we have contrast pink color. Yes, this is a huge border. And pallu we have designer pallu with flower butta. And this is the blouse, plain with a border. Item code of the saree is LV1721 and price vachesi is 25,000. Next saree. Next we have sea blue with deep blue color combination. All over the saree we have golden antique zari lean creeper jewel weaving with fancy work. And this is the border. This is contrast border with deep blue color turning work plate border. And we have a rich pallu. This is the pallu. And blouse we have navy blue color plain with a border. Item code vachesi it is LV1720 and price is 25,000. Next saree. Next we have peach color, peach with a blue color combination. All over the body we have designer flower booty with golden zari. Border we have contrast blue color with a big border. And we have piping border as well in green color. This is the pallu, this is rich pallu, designer rich pallu. And blouse we have plain with a border. Item code of the saree is LV1743 and price vachesi it is 29,950. Next saree. Next we have very bright color peach pink with purple. All over the saree it is golden zari jewel weaving flower design. And this is the border, purple color kadi border designer work. And pallu we have this. Blouse vachesi we have purple color plain with a border. Item code of the saree is LV1733 and price vachesi it is 29,950. Next saree. Yes. Next we have deep red color with mustard color combination. All over the saree we have jewel weaving with curried and floral booties. This is the border. This is in mustard color with a heavy golden zari. Yes. This is a skirt border designer border. This is the pallu. This is contrast brocade pallu. And blouse we have plain with a border. Item code vachesi it is LV1734 and price vachesi it is 34,950. Next saree. Yes. Next we have pinkish gold. This is a very nice and different color combination. All over the saree we have jewel weaving with peacock motifs with self and blue color. This is the border. This is a huge border in blue color skirt border. And this is a designer rich pallu. Blouse we have plain with a border. Yes. Item code of the saree is LV1735 and price vachesi is 27,000. Next saree. Next we have yellowish gold with pink color combination. All over the saree we have multi motifs with self meena work. And border we have pink color peacock turning work border. This is the border. and pallu we have brocade pallu. Blouse we have plain with the border. Yes. Item code of the saree is LV1728 and price vachesi 25,000. Next saree. Next we have sea blue color with rust color combination. Yes, all over the saree we have golden zari booties designed with vertical turning work, and border we have red color temple rising design. This is the pallu. This is a designer rich pallu. Blouse we have plain blouse with a border. Item code of the saree is LV1723 and price is 29,950. Next saree. Next we have green with pink color combination. All over the saree we have silver zari floral design jewel weaving, and border we have red color big plate with peacock and dollar booties designer. And this is the pallu. This is in pink color designer rich pallu, and blouse we have plain with a border. Item code of the saree is LV1712 and price is 29,950. Next saree. This is a different color combination, sky blue with peach color combination. All over the saree we have golden zari diamond check with rudraksha booties, and border we have peach color plate border with florals, and pallu we have contrast pallu. This is a designer rich pallu, and blouse we have peach color plain blouse with designer border. Yes, so item code of the saree is LV1736 and price is 29,950. Next saree. Next we have golden with violet color. These are bridal Kanchivaram sarees. So all over the saree we have maroon and violet color meenakari leaf and floral design. Border we have peacock with diamond cut. This is a big border, and pallu we have blue color designer rich pallu. Blouse vachesi we have violet color tissue blouse with border. This is the tissue blouse. Yes, so item code of the saree is LV1714 and price vachesi is 22,500. These are bridal Kanchivaram sarees andi. So if you like the saree, please take a screenshot along with the item code and send to our WhatsApp number, which is 9696699666. Next saree. Next we have pastel pink color. This is again a big border saree. All over the saree we have laine crepe jewel weaving with micro leaves and floral design, and border we have self abstract design turning work plate border. Yes, this is the pallu. This is self glorious rich pallu, and blouse we have pink color plain blouse with a border. Item code of the saree is LV1719 and price vachesi to 25,000. Next saree. Next again we have big border saree. It is in a color combination of green with purple. All over the saree we have golden zari jewel weaving with fancy booties, and this is the border. This is a skirt border with multi motifs, and this is the pallu. This is a designer rich pallu, and blouse we have in purple color with a plain border. Item code of the saree is LV1726 and price vachesi it is 29,950. Next saree. Next we have pinkish gold with pastel green color. All over the saree we have brocade weaving with pretty florals and micro leafy work. This is the border. Border we have pastel green color peacock turning work border, and pallu we have royal designer rich pallu, and blouse we have yellowish green color brocade with blouse with a border. Item code of the saree is LV1711 and price is 25,000. Next saree. Next we have in blue. All over the saree is blue, but we have fancy leafy booties with copper antique zari and self blue color. And this is the border, blue color multi motifs. Pallu we have self rich pallu, and blouse is plain with a border. Item code of the saree is LV1724 and price is 25,000. Next saree. Next we have peach with sea blue color combination. All over the saree we have golden zari birds design with jewel weaving, and border we have sea blue color designer border, and we have designer rich pallu. Blouse we have sea blue color plain with a border. Item code of the saree is LV1716 and price is 19,950. Next saree. Next we have pinkish gold. All over the saree we have jewel weaving leaves and florals with self meenakari work. This is the border. This is fancy brocade designer border, and we have designer rich pallu. Blouse vachesi we have plain with a border. This is in pink color with a brocade blouse with a border. Item code of the saree is LV1725 and price vachesi 22,500. Next saree. Next we have green with violet color combination. All over the saree we have golden zari abstract weaving with stripes and micro work, and this is the border. This is a deep violet designer skirt border, and pallu we have contrast brocade pallu. Blouse we have violet color plain with a border. Item code of the saree is LV1715 and price is 29,950. Next saree. Next we have mustard yellow with pink. All over the saree we have diamond flower cut work with designer flower booties. Border is in pink color contrast designer skirt border, and this is a very grand rich pallu. Blouse we have plain pink color with a border. Item code of the saree is LV1718 and price is 22,500. Next saree. Next we have green with red color combination. All over the saree it is silver zari leafy and flower design jewel weaving, and border we have in red color kadi with diamond checks peacock with flower design, and pallu is leafy designer pallu. Blouse we have red color with a border, plain with a border. Yes. And item code of the saree is LV1713 and price is 25,000. Next saree. Next we have very light color combination which is peach pink with purple. All over the saree it is checks with gold and zari, both the combination with the booties on it, and border we have in purple color designer border. So the pallu is grand rich pallu. Blouse is not plain only, we have silver zari lines blouse with a border. Yes. Item code of the saree is LV1729 and price is 25,000. Next saree. Next it is bluish gold with blue color combination. All over the saree we have pretty florals with leafy and multicolor meena work. This is the border. Border we have in blue color with multi motifs turning work border, and this is the designer rich pallu. Blouse we have in blue color with a border. Item code of the saree is LV1730 and price is 29,950. Next saree. Next we have peach with navy blue color. This is a orangish peach with navy blue color combination. All over the saree we have abstract design with fancy motifs with silver zari, and border we have navy blue color with a floral turning work, and we got brocade pallu. Blouse vachesi it is blue plain color with a border. Item code is LV1710 and price is 29,950. Next saree. Next we have yellow with pink color combination. This is a very grand color combination, I can say. All over the saree we have golden zari with brocade design, and border we have pink color with peacock design. Pallu, it is designer Kadi pallu, and blouse we have beautiful pink color plain with a designer border. Item code of the saree is LV1717 and price is 25,000. Next saree. Yes, next we have very rare color combination, light grey with reddish pink. All over the saree we have tissue turning cut work. This is the border we have in reddish pink. We have grand rich pallu, and blouse we have pinkish red color. All over the blouse also we have Meena booties with the border. Item code of the saree is LV1709 and price is 29,950. Next saree. Next we have maroon with pink and orange color combination. All over the saree it is multi motifs, sword design, and this is the border. Border we have green color golden zari dollar booties. You can see that here we have two variations of the border. This is a variation and this is another variation of the border. And pallu we have pink color matte feel pallu. This is a designer rich pallu. And blouse we have pink color matte feel blouse with a border. Item code of the saree is LE1708 and price is 29,950. Next saree. Next we have nice pastel color. This is green with purple color combination. All over the saree we have golden zari flower design, and border we have in contrast, which is in purple color. This is the pallu. This is purple color golden zari rich pallu. In blouse we have purple color plain with a border. Yes. Item code of the saree is LV1705 and price is 26,950 rupees. Next saree. Next we have yellow with pink color combination. All over the saree we have kuttu jewel work with antique golden zari. Border we have reddish pink color contrast kadi border with peacock design in it. And pallu we have grand rich pallu. Blouse we have contrast blouse with a border. So the item code of the saree is LV1706 and price is 25,000. Next saree. So this is the last saree in this session. This is in a color combination of pink and blue. All over the saree we have mango motifs in it, and this is the border. Border is in blue color, and we have royal pallu. Blouse we have plain with a border. Yes. Item code of the saree is LV1707 and price is 25,000. So if you like any sarees in this session, please take a screenshot along with the item code and WhatsApp to our number, that is 9696669966. Thank you.
We are